Hello everyone. Before ko kayo 'no, turuan or before natin i-discuss yung, next method for finding the roots, okay? So, uh, I will discuss first the basic, one of the basic, method of approximation. Kasi ito guys 'no, yung, linear approximations is somehow, um, uh related to ano, Newton-Raphson, 'no. Yung iteration ng Newton-Raphson is, using, linear approximation. Okay, each iteration is, ang ginagamit ay linear approximation, okey? So, dito 'no, um, we want to approximate, okay, or we want to, get another function na which will approximate, okay, the function f of x. Okay, let's say, that is L of x. Okay. Okay, near, okay, x is equal to a. Okay. So ito applicable lang yung linear approximation. Okay. When the x value of x is, okay, close to x equal to a. Okay. Yan yung ginagawa sa Newton-Raphson, no. Okay, so dapat doon, sa Newton-Raphson, tama yung magiging ano mo, magiging first value of x. Kaya para yung susunod na value ng x is palapit ng palapit ka. Ito kasi guys 'no, yung Newton-Raphson, mabilis siya mag-converge papunta sa sa, roots 'no, okey, sa actual roots. Anyway 'no, so paano nga ba kunin yung, expression na okey, for, linear approximation 'no, yung ating L of x. Ito guys yung ating kailangang kunin 'no. Okey, so okey, before that 'no, mag-graph muna tayo, okey? Graph tayo, mag-graph, baligtad na, 'yan na, okey. So ito yung ating x, ito yung ating y, okey? So let's say ito yung, graph ng, given function, okey, y is f of x, okey? Then, okey, we say meron tayong point dito na, okey, at x equal to a, okey? When x is a. So when x is a, what's the value of y? Okey? Of course na when x is a, yung ating y is f of a. So meron tayong point dito na a, f of a, okey? Then we draw a line, okey, passing through that point. Siyempre if dadaan lang sa sa isang point on the curve yung mo, yung line, that line is tangent to that curve, okey? Let's say ito yun, ayan na, okey? So ito yung ating, y is L of x, okey? So, mapapansin niyo 'no, near the point x equal to a, yung, difference between the y's of, f of x and L of x is very close, okey? So, that's why, um, applicable lang 'tong linear approximation na, okey, for x near the starting point na yung ating x equal to a. Okey, so yung pag-derive ng, linear function dito is napakadali lang 'no, basic calculus lang na meron tayong point. Okay, so ang kulang na lang dito is to get the slope of this line. Okay, so kung yan line na yan ay tangent dito, okay, ang gagawin mo lang diyan is kunin mo yung derivative ng ating function. Okay, so y is a function of x, kukunin mo yung derivative niya no, y prime is f of prime of x. So ito yung slope, okay, at any given point on the curve no. Okay, so ito yung m ng curve. So now, at the point x is equal to a, ano yung ating slope? Siyempre that is m ng tangent line na, okay? Yung ating f of prime when x is a, okay? So kung meron tayong point Meron tayong point na P1 na A, f of A, okay, and meron tayong slope na f of prime of A, okay, by using, point slope form, okay, we can easily write the expression for the linear function L of x now. Okay. So, um, meron tayong y minus y sub 1. Ang y sub 1 mo is ito, yung ating f of a. Okay. Equal to yung slope natin, f of prime of a. Okay. And x is minus a. Okay. Transpose yung f of a. So, therefore, meron tayong y is equal to um, f of a plus f of prime of a times x minus a. Okay? So, ang kailangan natin guys na function, okay, ito. So, therefore, yung ating linear approximation ng L of x is equal to f of a plus f of prime of a quantity x minus a. So, yan yung general formula. Na, ang kailangan mo lang dyan yung point, okay, when yung ating x equal to a and then the slope na. Okay? Ganun lang kumuha ng linear approximation. Okay? So, let's solve a sample problem by using linear approximation. Okay, so example number 1, determine the linear approximation for f of x, which is equal to the cube root of x at x equal to 8. Okay? So, ibig sabihin yan guys na meron tayong given na ganito na. Okay? Meron tayong function of x na cube root of x. So, later, since mag-derivative tayo, I will write the given function, no? Okay? As fractional exponent. So, pag cube root of x, ibig sabihin yan, x raised to 1/3 na. Okay? So, near, okay, x is equal to 8. So, that means this is also our a. Okay, doon sa formula na. Okay? Ngayon, unang pinapahanap guys is yung linear approximation. Na, meron tayong record dito na. Okay? The first one, okay, is yung expression for linear approximation. Then use the linear approximation to approximate the value of cube root of 8.05. So, di ba nasa loob ito na, ang cube root. So, ibig sabihin, we want to get the value of, okay, L of 8.05. Okay? So, that means na, okay, i-write ko na. Kumbaga, yung cube root ng 8.05, okay, is approximately equal to L of 8.05. Okay? Na. And um, pangatlo guys na. Okay, dito guys no, hindi ko siya lalagyan approximate mamaya sabihin ko. Pinapahanap yung cube root ng 8.05 or cube root ng 25, so that is L of 25. Okay? Ayan. Now for the solution, okay, since meron tayong given function, meron tayong value ng a, so ang una mo niyang gagawin siyempre is to get the slope of the curve. Right? You have to get the derivative of the given function. So from f of x is equal to x raised to 1/3. So the derivative of that na f of prime of x, anong derivative ng power? Copy the exponent. Okay, then minus 1. So 1/3 minus 1 is negative 2/3. Okay, or isulat natin as positive exponent. So 1/3, kung negative yan, bababa siya x raised to positive 2/3. Then evaluate at x equal to a. Okay, so at x is equal to a, or that is 8. Okay, first ano yung ating f of a or f of 8. Okay, so just substitute yung ating 8 Okay, dun sa given function, okay, na x raised to 1/3 or 8 raised to 1/3. So, cube root ng 8, so siyempre that is obviously 2. Okay, next, dito tayo. Um, okay, yung ating slope, so f of prime of 8 na. Okay, so that is a is equal to 8 na. Okay, so okay, 1/3, then x is 8 raised to 2/3. Okay, ano yung 8 raised to 2/3? Okay, cube root ng ano, ng 8 is 2, then raised to 2 dito, magiging 2 raised to 2, 4 times 3, 12. So, this is 1/12. So, therefore, yung ating linear approximation is L of x is equal to f of a is 2, okay, plus our f of prime of a is 1/12, then x minus a, which is 8. Okay? If you want to simplify this one, oh, pwede naman. Actually, pwede na to guys na. Okay? Or, ano mo to, i-distribute mo yung, distribute mo yung, tawag nito, yung, 1/12. Okay? So, may reason bakit, ayaw ko i-simplify yan, no? Yung reason naman, pwede mo siyang i-simplify, no? Okay? So, for this case, no, I will not simplify this one, no? Okay? Assist na yan, pero nga, sabi ko nga, pwede naman i-simplify. Okay? Sa ano to, sa solution na to, di ko na isi-simplify kasi nga, okay, para mas mabilis ako mag-solve ng L of x. Okay? Ayan. So, ito yung ating unang sagot, no? Okay? Yung expression for the linear approximation. Now, next. Okay? Approximate daw the value of cube root of 8.05. So, okay? Yung ating cube root, okay, ng 8.05. Tignan nyo okay, since, okay, 8.05, okay, is near, okay, x is equal to 8. Ayan. So, okay, we can say that, ayan, kasi malapit siya guys, di ba? Okay, pag malapit yung ano mo, yung x sub 1 mo, okay? Yung ating x sub 1 guys. Okay? Yung kukunan mo ng value na kung malapit yan kay a or yung ating given na x, no? Okay? Yan. Pwede mo nang sabihin guys na yung cube root ng ano ng 8.05, okay, is approximately equal to L of 8.05. Okay? Now, ano yung ating L of 8.05? So, just substitute x is equal to 8.05 to this function. So, 2 plus 1/12, okay, then 8.05, okay, minus 8. Okay. Guys, ano yung 8.05 minus 8? So, siyempre, 0.05/12. Yung 0.05 ay 1/20. Okay? Yan. So, 2 plus 1/20 yung 0.05/12. Okay? 2, tawag to? 20 times 12 is 1/240. Okay? If you want to use calculator, pwede naman 'to na. Okay? So, cube root ng 8.05, okay, is approximate equal to, ano yung 1/240? Okay, i-calculate ko na. Okay, 0.0042. Okay, 0.0042. So, this is 2.0042 nasa in 4 decimal places halimbawa na. Okay? So ito guys yung sagot naman for the cube root of 8.05. Okay? Okay, next. okey, yung cube root ng 25, okey. Yan yung, ah, yung ating 25 guys 'no, yung 25 is very, very large 'no, as compared to 8. So, ibig sabihin guys 'no, yung ano, yung cube root ng 25, okey, is okey, is not equal 'no or not ano, this approximate kay L of, 25, okey. Malayong-malayo guys 'no, kasi yung ating ano, base point is 1x is 8, malayo na 'yan. 'Pag ginamit mo guys yung ano, yung approximation mo, makita ninyo, yung ating L of 25 is, 2 plus ano yun, 1/12, then 1/12, then, 25, minus 8, okey? Ang makukuha mo diyan guys is 2 plus 1/12 times 25 minus 8, okey. Ang makukuha mo dito is 3 point okey, 42, okey. By using calculator guys 'no, okey, yung cube root ng 25 ay 2.92, okey, okey. Sa ano, sa, calcu 'no, by, calcu na, okey, cube root ng 25 is equal to, 2.924, okey, 0 blah, blah, blah 'no. Ayan, so masyadong malayo 'to 'no, kumpara diyan, okey. 'Yan, so ano ka diyan, maglagay ka ng ano, conclusion, okey. Yung ating, approximation L of x is not, okey, advisable 'no, in getting the cube root of 25 'no. Since 25 is very far from x is equal to 8, okey. So gano'n lang guys 'no, mag, linear approximation, okey. So for ano, for, next example, so I will ano, record it in the next video na, okey, para hindi boring na panoorin kasi sobrang haba na 'to 'no. Okey. So, ayan sa naman 'no, sa, abangan niyo 'no sa next na video. Okay, see you on our next video.